Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fucking A. Holy fuck, my heart's racing. That fucker had to take something out. Holy shit. We got shit going on. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Holy fucking shit. That's a NATO. That fucker is like a mile from my house right now. Oh fuck. Fucking A. Holy fuck. Son of a bitch. Oh fuck. Probably a half mile from my house. This ain't looking good. Come on, Rip. Get in there. Going right next to my aunt and uncle's house. Holy shit. Right across the Griffiths farm. Still trying to fucking circle. Holy shit. Right across Griffiths' barn. Nothing flying. It's brewing. It's brewing. Oh, there's some shit flying. There's some shit flying. We got debris. We got debris flying. It's heading for the Henry farm. There's debris in the air. There's debris in the air. It's rolling down towards Mises. Shit flying in the air. There's more stuff flying. Oh yeah, it's sucking stuff out. It's totally clearing off back by Dodgeville. I think it was intense up by Levittsau's farm before I got videoing. Oh, it's picking up again. Holy shit. Heading kind of toward like Arena Mazomanie. Uh-oh. Oh, there's more shit flying again. There's stuff in the air. Wow. Think there's more debris? I can't tell what that is. It's either unless those are turkey vultures. Shit is flying.